Alright, so I've just spent the last about 2 weeks researching and shopping and getting all the parts for this robot. It's put together by someone named Miguel on Hackaday. It's a great guide. It comes with all the software and everything, but there's still a lot of DIY you have to do to put it together. So I'm going to go through my first power up of the robot. Eventually I'm going to run it off of this quadcopter battery, but for now I'm using my bench power supply. We'll turn that on. And that should give power to the Raspberry Pi and the Arduino on board. So those are all turned on. Oh my gosh, this isn't good. That's really not good. Okay, so I need to install like a power cut button so I can stop the motors from doing that. So as quickly as possible before all these motors overheat, I'm going to try and open up the Python script. Let's see. It's kind of complicated. So this Raspberry Pi doesn't have a monitor or mouse hooked up to it, so I'm using my desktop. And I'm using Putty to control this Raspberry Pi remotely. So here we go. Now I can execute code on the Raspberry Pi using my computer. Oh wow. Hope it doesn't break itself while I'm doing this. Alright, now I'll start this up. Oh crap. Okay. I'm going to turn on the controller. So PlayStation 3 controller. I'll try running it again. Okay, there we go. So one of the problems that I'm running into is I don't have these legs set up properly. So you can see it's just kind of flailing around right now. Because all the zeros are off on these legs. But it looks like it's working for the most part. I just gotta fix whatever's wrong with it right now. Alright, so that's pretty good. I'm gonna stop before I break this thing. I've got some tuning to do in the software. So we'll call it good for tonight.